So now that we've talked about things being contained in sets, talked about how we can define what a set is, it'd be a good idea to put those two things together and talk about how we can say that something is inside of a set. We can say that, for example, a notebook is in the set of things in your backpack, or that empty set is in the set containing the empty set when we looked at that in the previous video. So, for this, we have the symbol. Don't know what this thing is called. It looks a bit like an E, except you don't quite finish it. It has a name, I'm blanking on it. I think I ever actually learned what the name is, but that is our symbol, where, for example, we could say that 1 is in, so that's what the symbol says, set 1, 2. So in other words, this is some element. In this case, element 1. That symbol in the middle there says is in, and this is the set 1, 2, 3. The set of items 1, 2, 3 that I don't have the space to write out the word description for right there. So this is how we say an element is in there. So for another example, we could say that Florida is in the set that consists of states in our country. So the set in set builder notation S, such that S is a state, specifically in the US. That's how we could notate that in set builder notation as well. There is one thing to be careful of, as here, this relationship importantly does not describe one important case. So note that we would not say the set, say, 7 is an element of set 3, 5, 7. This would be incorrect. And to say that something is not an element, you draw a diagonal line through the inclusion symbol. This is setting up a relationship that we will talk about in section 2.2, where we look at relationships between sets rather than between elements. It's a slightly different thing, but it is important to note that this is not the same kind of relationship as that.